You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Pronunciation, a word from science, a family of trees, basically bananas, banana trees. Two different pronunciations. Musaceae. Well, some may say it also as Musaceae or Musaceae as well. So there are quite a few different pronunciations actually. Musaceae also. So Musaceae, 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 Musaceae. So there's a bit of a confusion on how to pronounce this one. But if you go with Musaceae or Musaceae, you'll be safe. Musaceae or Musaceae. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.